Welcome back to Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen with offices in Houston, Texas. Today we're going to discuss why I chose to open up a small law firm instead of joining a bigger and larger law firm. These are the top 5 reasons why I decided to open up a small law firm. The first major advantage of working with a small law firm is that you get one-on-one personal attention, and most of the time you'll have one-on-one communications with your attorney. If you work with a large law firm, if you decide to sign up because you really like the person that you met up with, this person may not necessarily be the attorney that will be assigned your case. So you may end up working with an attorney that you ordinarily wouldn't have wanted to hire. Additionally, many large law firms make you communicate with legal assistants and paralegals and never give you the opportunity to speak with a live attorney. If you want that one-on-one attention, a small law firm will give you a better option at being able to communicate with the attorney. The second biggest advantage of hiring a small law firm is that you know how many years of experience your attorney has handling your type of matter. This is important because if you go to a large law firm, the large firm may advertise that they have 50 or 100 years of experience, but this is likely very misleading. What they're doing is that they're telling you how much experience every attorney in total has at that law firm. So if they take on your case, the attorney that is assigned your case may be a new attorney and may not have any experience handling your specific matter. So if you want to be safe and you want an attorney that actually has years of experience, hire the attorney that's from a small law firm so you know that the experience that they're advertising for their website belongs only to that attorney and not anyone else. The third major advantage of hiring a smaller law firm is that it'll be easier for you to speak directly with your attorney. If you hire a larger law firm, do not be surprised that you have to go through hoops and bounds in order to speak with your attorney. This may mean that you may have to speak with the receptionist, you may have to speak with numerous legal assistants and paralegals before you're actually directed and routed towards a real attorney. The fourth major advantage of hiring a small law firm are the fees. You can expect lower fees when working with a small law firm versus working with a large law firm. And this is basic economics. If you work with a large law firm, they have to pay their employees, they have to pay for the space, and this is going to in turn make you pay higher fees for the same services you can get at a small law firm at a much lower rate. The fifth major advantage in hiring a smaller law firm is that you know exactly what the reputation is for that particular attorney. Most small law firms only have 1 or 2 attorneys. This makes it very easy for you to go online and determine what that attorney's reputation is in the legal community. If you go to a large law firm, you're not going to know who is representing you until they are assigned your case. So the law firm overall may have a very good review online, but the attorney that you are assigned may not have any experience handling your type of case or may have a bad reputation in general. So before you hire an attorney, make sure that you know which attorney is going to work on your case, especially when you are hiring a bigger law firm to represent you. And finally, here are some tips that you can use when looking for an attorney online. And this goes for if you're thinking about hiring an attorney at a small law firm or at a large law firm. Tip 1, look at the attorney's website. If the attorney does not have a website, this is problematic. I personally wouldn't hire any attorney without a website. Second, you want to look at that website very closely. If you are hiring an attorney, let's say for immigration, does that attorney advertise that they even work on immigration cases on their website? If they don't, most likely they're only taking your case on the side, and most of their cases do not involve that particular case matter. The second tip when hiring an attorney is to look at the attorney's reviews, especially if the attorney has been licensed for a long time. If an attorney has been licensed for 5 or 10 or more years and they have absolutely no reviews, you should question why they have no reviews. The third and final tip if you're considering hiring a small or large law firm is the staff size. If you hire a small law firm because you want to save on cost, Make sure that that attorney is not saving on costs by not hiring adequate workers. You want to make sure the attorney has at least 1 or 2 workers available in the event that the attorney is sick, out of the office, or on vacation. This way, if you run into a problem with your case or want to drop off documents or have a question about your case overall, you have someone at the office to turn to. Because if you don't, you're going to find that it's very difficult when an attorney is just by themselves without any assistance. Again, thank you for watching Winning Law. I'm attorney David Nguyen, and we hope that today we have made the legal process easier to understand.
At David Nguyen's Law Office, we are here to help you. We bring families together through immigration. And on the other hand, we help you find solutions. All your legal needs in the hands of people who care, who are there for you. We'll take care of your loved ones at the law office of David Nguyen.